turn on some music. I should also just double check. Oh, nice. Okay, nice.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley.
What's up, chat?
Mary Kate and Ashley.
Did someone just send a message? Did I just lose a message? I'm not sure. Yo, what up, Hog? Limux. Alright, almost done there. Mew, hello, hello. Working on boot.dev teach course all day today. Teach DB focus. Okay, there we go. Nice. Give the old Tweeterino as well. Did this not... Hello, YouTube? You live streaming for me right now? Oh, maybe I need to restart that. Can I have an in Windows as well? Yeah. What's up, Murasaki? With Telescope Analyst? Yeah, of course. Morning. That is such a good intro, VT. That is such a good intro. All right, let's try this again. Let's try stopping this and then starting YouTube again. O course, C course, my C course. Afternoon, what up? There we go, finally. We got YouTube going. Excellent, excellent. All right, there we go.
Here you go, friend.
Here you go, friend. Is this for boot.dev? It sure is. Well, that reminds me, the other thing that I was thinking we needed to probably open up was, where is my... One sec. I don't remember what, if I got... Okay, where is my Obsidian? I just didn't start Obsidian for it, I guess. Didn't start Obsidian. Okay. Oh, the Barbara Streisand. See, Pog Crazy. All right. There we go. This way we can update stuff as well. But what about a C interpreter in OCaml? Ugh, C interpreter sounds like a nightmare. Dan? Hey, just wondering if you know there's someone ripping off your content. Drew! Would you ever get Casey on the stream? I'm sure. Casey's really cool. I don't know what we would talk about. Maniac, dang! With the tier 3. Thank you, Maniac. Very much appreciated. It's Prime. That makes sense. Python is a C interpreter if you think about it. True. It's kind of like how... Okay, that didn't work, I guess. We'll try this again. Okay, it is working. Or like I substitute text. Exactly. How's the C course going? It's really good. So here's where we are right now. We're gonna do a few fun things as we're working through here, but I wanted to write myself just a wee bit more of tooling, of course. Oh, the other thing that we needed to do.
I've got so much to give.
Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach.
Fun? Sounds like fake news. Yeah, I think Obsidian's nice that it's not inside NeoVim. Hawks FCO. There we go. Because it's nice that it has like variable width fonts and images and other stuff like that. Exactly, Nightshade. Any Python folks know why it's not JIT compiled? I mean, I think they have lots of stuff going on under the hood. I think it's JIT compiled. That's kind of fair, Dan. Okay, so there's a few things I wanted to explore. One thing I wanted to look at was what are the limitations of symlinks in Git? How can you use them? Because I basically I've never actually really like used them, but I don't care that it doesn't work on Windows. That doesn't bother to me. But its target may not exist. It's not part. That's fine. Don't care. I don't care about Windows. Relative absolute. That's fine too. Peps. They're working on it. Oh no. Well, there you go. Then we'll path to target file my link. Git add my link. How does this work though with like relative? You need to use a relative path, right? Give me an example of how you would do it. Show the tree while you're trying. It does work. You can definitely use symlinks in Git. I think you just do it from the root though, for relative paths. Well, let's test it out. Relative. Yo, purplish! Indeed. 27 months is kind of wild. Yeah. Creates a symlink pointing to target file. Yeah. Because, what about within a Git repo? Can you, is there a Git command for doing a symlink? Shake my head. Shake my head. Too long of a sub. Literally no brain. Literally no brain. Okay, so I think you can, right? Yeah. So here's basically, like, why do I want to do this? Here's the main reason. Right now, I've got, I think this will be fine to put as a bonus, like as a bonus file. I don't think it will do anything. Because basically, I have like this lib, this two libraries that I want to use, right? So we can make something like this. We'll call this, we'll just call it lib. Sure, that sounds fine. And then I want to pwn them. Pwned.libs. No. We're going to do something like we go to here. No, this is not the one that I have. This is the one that I'm working on. And I want to take like all of these. We yoink this. And we yoink this. Yeah, and we'll copy them here. Thank you. Chat, thank you for the tier 3. Very much appreciate it. Do we need to have existing knowledge of writing C for your course? No. That's actually the part that's taking the longest, Maniac, is figuring out how do we introduce the right amount of stuff to like get you to learn what's going on, right? But without like, yeah, without being like all of the thing, right? Without having to make them CDs nuts. Exactly right. Wasn't there a Git config you need to enable first core symlinks? Oh, but default is true. I don't know. Lane said I can try it and we'll see what happens. Okay. So let's just try and go ahead and do LNS and we'll do lib. And I want to link that to 20 objects, required lessons. Let's try, we'll try 1 object introduction. Oh, I didn't make any. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Okay. So let's go here. Let's go to object introduction. Let's make complete. Oh wait, I already have this. Yeah, how, I forgot which way I need to do this. I need to go update current lesson. Required lessons, do. Okay, let's try this. I said leader SU, right? Oh, I love writing tooling. Chat, look at this. I just dropped in a whole new lesson, put in the libraries that I was needing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Main.c, yes. Boom, 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 boom. Int main, return 0. Include boot lib h, include munit h. Okay. And then let's go ahead and for expected. Yeah, it's just literally nothing. That's fine. Metadata. That's fine. Readme. Yeah. Testing this out. Okay. Do. Oh, we have got 2 of them. Okay. And that should be good. Okay, so let's try and do this. If I recall, I need to go to here and go do. Make, oh, that's in courses. Make gen last mod.
We're mostly going to beat each other senseless, make enemies with Disney.
Object readme notes and file directory. Ah. Mark, what's up, buddy? Thankfully, it's pretty simple once a beginner and same pointers. Yeah, there's a lot of things in it that are straightforward in some ways, right? I don't remember which one of these we need to restart, so we'll just restart a few of them. All right, so let's see. Nice, we're here. Let's actually go and we want to do reset all progress. Confirm, yeah. Okay. Do. Oh, get init and clone can set it to false though. Oh, that's crazy. I'll have to check it later though. Do you have the command that loads your terminal prompt stored in your conf files? It's just like Rocket or something. I don't even remember. Call me Yogurt. What's up, buddy? Good morning, TJ and chat. What's up, Z's? Boot UI could get a little change. No, guys. Do you like my profile picture? TJ DeVries has never worked on Netflix, by the way, but he has written a lot of code that's actually useful. Needs more stash. I need more stash. I can't grow it though. Okay, so this is working, so that's good. We're here now and we can see this. We should be able to run this. Object. Oh, right. Nice. Yeah. This exercise is busted for integer. Wait a second. Hodl. Why did we not get one object introduction? Very suspicious. Okay. Oopsies. Maybe we should just restart this whole thing really quick. Custom Lolamo program for my church's church calendar and our on-demand service. Oh, nice. Very cool. No stash. Can't do it, unfortunately. You have the command that loads your terminal prompt. I don't know. I don't even remember what it is, Maniac. I mean, it has to be somewhere there. But yeah, I don't know. What's up, Sam? It's all written in PHP. Object introduction. Great. Okay, so now we're here. Here we go. We got our main. We should be able to run this. That's great. Okay. So now I want to check. Let's check this, chat. Let's we'll restart everything just because I'm worried that this situation is not handled, right? Is I want to try and go to, let's go to 20 object required lessons 1. Okay. Oh wait, no. We want to go here. We want to go lns lib Let's go 20 objects, required lessons, 1, incomplete. Okay, so now we have a lib folder. Too many symbolic links encountered. Oopsies. Lib. ls 20 objects. Did I do this wrong, chat? I don't think that's right. What did I do wrong? Oh, I think I need the trailing slash, right? This is a classic, right? You get a nuxstat on every reload, yeah. Okay, so that doesn't work either. Or at least not as far as I can tell. Too many levels. What did did I do this backwards? I did it backwards, didn't I? I wasn't even thinking. Did I do it backwards, chat? Do I need to go with this one? I think I do this backwards every single time I do this. Nope. No, the prompt thing. Oh, that was an experiment from a long time ago. No, I was thinking if I could make my config from my ZSH config in Lua. I think it's like rocket ship or rocket or something. I literally haven't touched it in forever. Let me check. I'm looking for you right now. Or ship or something. Spaceship. That's the one. Spaceship. Not rocket ship. Spaceship. Or starship. I don't know. Debug adapter. I think I'm writing one for my... I have not written debug adapter. What is this? A simple boot loader? No. So many ships. What am I doing wrong here? Can I... How to link a directory instead of just a file. Can I not even do that? Or is that not legal? I guess I've never even tried. I thought you could do that. Target file, link to target. Oh, I think I need to go just lib. Maybe like this. I never do relative links. Too many levels of symbolic links. What am I doing wrong here, chat? ln help. We'll just read the help for this again. It's been a while. Link to target. In second, we'll create a link to target in the current directory. Yeah, one's in Rust and one's not or something. Try removing the slash. Okay. Just lib. Okay. No. Cannot access this. Too many levels of symbolic links. What am I doing wrong? Leave my web alone. You're sure you're doing source then target? Yeah. I want to link lib from right here to this spot. Lib. The other way around. I'm in a folder and I have a I have this lib. I want to link this to this spot. Oh, do I have to be like in this spot? Oh. Oh, I have to be here. Do I need to go like this? Like this. I was already reading the help about it. But I've never done the symbolic links to symbolic. By default, each destination name link should not already exist when creating hard links. Each trigger must exist. Symbolic links can hold over text result later. Links relation to its parent directory. Okay, so I need to be. Ooh, I don't know if that's gonna work, chat. But we'll. Okay, so we'll just test this really quick, okay? We'll test this really quick. So we're in objects, required lessons, introduction right here. So I should have lib. Okay, nice. CD into the folder you want and then do ln-sr. It's all relative within the repo. Okay. Let's try this. So I want to delete this and this. We'll save that. And then instead of doing this, we'll do lib this and lib that. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to go to here and I want to say we should really I should make something to just do make gen last mod for this. Did you course for Melky's platform? He hasn't asked me to do it. I don't know. I don't have any like plans to do anything for Melky's things. Just use absolute paths. It's always easier. I can't use absolute paths, chat. Is this boot dev on local? Yeah, Mohit, it is. Should you do a course on Temple S? Do it. Don't let your dreams be memes, chat. My favorite emblem theme is probably my own. I can't use absolute paths because it's going to go on other people's computer. You plan to build during the course just shell commands? What do you mean? Oh no, it even better than that. They run it right here. They just run it right here. Let's go ahead and go. Let's clear everything. Just tell them to get cloned in the same directory. Well, they're not doing it. They're not going to build anything, chat. That's like kind of one of the nice parts about boot. Objects, object introduction, lib, bootlib. And how are they seeing these files? Those files shouldn't exist. Run. Lib, boot. I don't think it's working. I don't think it's going to follow the symlinks. It's just... It's a little bit more complicated than what you like. Oh, just run with these commands. There's a whole thing going on here. Okay, there's a whole thing going on here, but it doesn't look like it got the lib files, right? The libs have been pwned. Do you prefer to script your videos? I usually write an outline. I don't usually do word for word. Making course website. This is for boot dev, yeah.
I probably won't love it, but I love Dylan.
You probably also need to enable symlinks in the compiler. Okay. All right, well, that's fine. We don't have to do it. Like, it's really not that big of a deal. It's just a touch annoying. You can find your VODs. You can watch them outside before, and it was giving me RuneScape vibes. It does, yeah. I think that's Lane's goal. It's running in the browser, chat. With mscriptum. Maybe just put the link directory as an option in the compiler. No, I think we'll just go the simple way, which is I'll continue just copy pasting them in. And we won't worry about links and goofiness happening. Because I already have something anyways where I can do like this. And we put all the files in. So it's really not a big deal. I don't know which one of these all have to be... I don't know which ones need to be restarted. Just trust Lane that one of them will fix the problem. Nice. Now it should run, right? Nice, very cool. Hooray! We got it right, chat. You just put the link direct. Yeah. So we're not making the website. The website stuff's all done. We're making the course. I mean, you can still have lib files somewhere else when you do them. You just while just providing -i. So I know about -i. I'm saying it's a bit more complicated than that because of how the rest of the system works. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Basically, is what I'm saying. So instead, we'll just solve the problem by... Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. It's just because we're compiling it like in the browser and we're doing a bunch of other stuff. Okay, sure. Yeah, we can make it do that. Oh, we already finished. We already finished this one, so is it not? I need to go to... It's like, go to the next one. Here you go. You can do this exercise. Look at this, chat. It says, hey... You can see this. Here, I'll zoom in just a bit so you guys can see a bit better. Hey, you've got something wrong in exercise H. Oh, right. I need to put integer here. Okay, now what? Oh, well, it doesn't have any data. We need to put something here. V int. Int. Whoops, sorry. Int v int. What am I doing? There you go. Oh, hey. Look at that. But it fails still. Why would it fail? Oh, that's because the exercise isn't done. So what do we need to do? We need to go and say object t star obj is malloc size of object t. Oops. Then we need to say if obj null return null obj. I think we said kind integer obj data v int equals value return obj. What do we... Oh, I misspelled malloc. Nice. Malloc. Oh, right. We got to say... Oh, right. Because I was saying... We're going to do boot malloc, right? That's the thing that I said that we needed to do. Yeah. Oh, what's the syntax for how I need to do this again? What am I trying to do here? Oh, I need to say object data. Something like this, right? Is it not object data? What did I call it before? Object data t. There we go. Ho-ho! Look at that, boys. Boom. Pretty cool, right? I mean, and then this kind of will work you through how to, solve that problem. But then we've got, we've got the test here, all your different test cases. We're using M units. So basically, I write all the tests, right? And we'll make this so you can't change the tests. I think I didn't set it up so that main. I think we probably should always have main not be able to be it. Is that what we had before? Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, read-only files should be main.c. And we should probably also hide bootlib C and bootlib H. Okay. That's really what should be in all of these. So when we go back to here, what did we say for these before as well? Read only main, and then we should say bootlib C and bootlib H. Kapow. What's boot malloc? So we sort of have our own, it's just malloc with a little bit of sort of like tracking, more or less, to be able to say like, so boot is the website, right? So it's just like, it just does a little bit of bonus stuff so I can do extra asserts. We may try and get it so that we sort of like, it's just a little complicated to do normal things that would be fine in the compiler when you're doing things here. Like their test just won't pass if they don't use it, which is fine. I have a big question for me. I can trust you the most. I'm coding something for the company as DevOps. Future millionaire, future ex-Google. Public fail and host some set of it. How to get over the fear of data leaks and attacks that might sink our company and our clients also. Oh my goodness. That is pretty tough. Yeah. Man. Publicly available and host some sensitive data. Is there any way to host less of the sensitive data? Normal malloc returning null is pretty rare. Yeah, they probably won't remember to do this, which is fine. They probably won't remember to do this. It's not really the point of the course anyway, so it's okay. This website has been mode. It does, yeah. But instead of segfaults, it launches boot segfaults. Exactly. Every time you segfault, you get charged another $1 right to my bank account. And then it mines $8 of Bitcoin. My PC on discretion lose files in the oven, even when not during save. Swaps not. Is there a way to protect from that? I don't know. I'm not sure. There are a few swap options and autosave and some other stuff like that. Yeah. You're seeing the world fall apart. Yeah, I know, chat. Every compilation in boot is secretly mining Ethereum. Exactly. Well, malloc won't really tell you when you had a segfault. It'll be from something else, but that's fine. They probably won't do this. They will probably just write this and that will be fine. I'm not going to make it. I really don't care too much about the other stuff. Oh, for freeing an invalid pointer. Sure. Yeah. Well, but that would be free. That would be boot free instead of boot malloc. So anyways, that's kind of like, right. That's the whole thing that's going on. So anyways, so then it's like, okay, so then they do integers, right? And then the next course it says, hey, okay, so now we're going to do floats, right? We run this and it says, oh man, you're saying, oh, we haven't updated everything here. Okay, fine. That's okay. We'll sort that out. We'll sort that out shortly. But then they have to do floats. So it's like, okay, so now you have to do a float. You're saying, okay, how do we make a float? We need to do object new float, etc. Right, Chaz? That makes sense. That's what we're gonna do, which I think is pretty fun. So what's the thing I want to start with? Oh, and the other thing that's kind of annoying is you don't understand. I don't feed the types. What? Here's something else that's pretty cool. Which is, I did I already call this as a, so object float. So this is incomplete and this is complete. So we do need to change a bunch of these. This is all just wrong here, right? Can't I just do, oh shoot, what is that? Yeah. Diff. What's the key bind for this? Diff. It's like diff put, right? Diff put. Modify another undo difference with the current buffer. Diff put and diff get, right? So I say diff put. Nice. Oh yeah. Int object obj. But for some reason we go to exercise H, right? We need to say, let's go ahead and do this again. Yeah, so we need to diff put this. And the other ones we're not going to do because this is what they have to fix. There's similar course on library. I have only one file. Promise that some library is there, but this is much better. New gen stuff will be so buffed. I'm sure. We'll say it one more time. What do you mean? I remember going through similar course online where you have only one file on a promise, but this is much better. New gen will be so buffed. I'm not sure exactly what you're saying, but it sounds like you're saying you like it. Okay, so do I have a mapping for this already? Leader SU. Right, and so what we can do is we can put this here. Is null really not? Oops. Oh. Oh, shoot. Right. This is all wrong as well. I did this wrong from here. This is where I don't know exactly. I see was resolved in one file. Oh, I see. Gotcha. One thing that is like a little bit, I don't know what the right like way to solve this is we need to go like this and like this. And then we need to go like this. New integer, new float, return null. And we need to go to 3 and complete. Oh, whoops. Yeah, because we need to check exercise H as well. I use Go to reduce attack rate for REST API. Got very long API to under TLS3. Not happy security. As much as I love Go, forced learning Rust. Really dislike Rust. Yeah. I mean, Rust won't necessarily solve you from doing something like leaking a key or something. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how much extra you're going to get safe from Rust compared to Go, like in terms of security. Wrong param type for float. Oh, did I have wrong param type for float? I don't think so. Did I? No. Oh, yep. Thank you. Good call. Good call, chat. Good call. All right. So the next thing that I wanted to write, I mean, Go's already memory. Right. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Leaking keys. Yeah. What's this OP C abomination? It's a good question. Why would you be doing this in C? The course is actually about learning memory management. Right? So the idea is we're going to build up to being able to make some simple objects and a simple garbage collector. And then by the end, you'll know lots about both manual memory management and garbage collection. Sort of in one like sneaky fell swoop. Right? All right, so then these all need to be like this. Why is munit saying it doesn't have assert float? Oh, right, these all need to say must accept positive values. Obj data. Right, we should actually solve this in incomplete. Let's solve that here. Obj. Must accept 0. Whoops. Must set type to float. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Okay. Diff put can diff put take a range? It can, nice. So I can just go percent diff put like this, right? Oh, baby, that's nice. I managed to overflow int the post request that expose values that should not be available to the client. I know skills issue, DevOps, not dev, but I'm thinking for us could help with this blind spot. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Yogurt. This is awesome, WM. The way the struct fits in 64 bits, it will return like into something like racks and not use pointer insertion. Copies what? Is it common in C to return structure by value? You think it's better pass pointer to a structure of the function and let the function fill it? Is it common in C to return structure by value? I think it's better to pass a pointer to a structure to the function and let the function fill. I mean, it depends on the situation, I think. C has asserts. Sure, if you have a library for it. Yeah, I mean, it has standard assert as well, but we've got a little bit more powerful asserts going on. Okay. So this way, when you get to your exercise in incomplete, you should have... The industry might want to use more Java. Sweet. So you're going to fill this in and you'll build it here, right? Okay, so that's good. Let's do content memory management lib. Okay, we don't need that one. Okay, so then I think probably the best strategy would be we check complete here. We make sure everything looks good. And then I need something to copy this in to the new, into the next lesson. Like that would be the coolest option, right? Let's try and write something for it really quick. So we're here. I want to make next, create next lesson. And we can do the same thing that we did for here. What's up, Ash? Welcome. So back with MIPS and its weird way of doing subtraction on integers. PSP development. Oh, dang, Slendy. What are you making on for PSP? So what we need to do here is we're going to get an emulator for chip 8. Oh, interesting. Cool. 3 object float. So what do I want to do? I want to say, I want to get the first number. This is the chapter. And then we get the lesson. So we're here. I'm like looking at something like this, right? And we go complete. We're in complete something like this. We're here. So we go Lua package.loaded. Boot is nil. Require boot dot, what did I call this? Create Next lesson. Chapter 3 object flow. Okay, great. So we're going to do this now. We can go original lesson. Whoops. And we'll do vim split original lesson on a dash. Plain true. Get the first one out. And we can say num to number. Num is num plus 1. Local lesson title, vim, then input, new title. Lesson is, yep. And then we want to basically we want to do the same thing we did here where we create this like that.
So I read through the entire user manual in one 10-hour stream.
In one 10-hour stream. We'll say object vec3. No, object string would be the next one. So then it'd be object for object string. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Terminal shop is down. Dax broke it. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, Yogurt, those are all pretty fair criticisms, I would say. Gustavo. Who's Gustavo? Selling illegal stuff. See, don't. Do not tell the federal government about this. Okay, chat? It's not down, it's just refusing your connection. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to do... Didn't write tests. True. All right, so now we'll create a new exercise. This should really be called create new lesson. It's become way smarter. Teach, get down, FBI. But then we also need to copy in the complete versions. So what I want to do is I want to take copy in complete versions of exercises, right? Which would be, so we take our original lesson here. How did we get our complete files? It's just it's gonna be required lessons, blah blah blah, chapter parts, lesson. How did I do this last time? Oh, right here. We'll make these by doing lesson commands folders. Lesson dir. Right, lesson dir is this. So let's do function, which is chapter and lesson. So then this is return join path, course root, chapter, required lessons. Yeah, because I don't know why I don't even know I have that yet. So we'll do this. So then we can do the same thing down here. We want to, is there like copy fs, copy file. Okay, that works. It's going to be complete beginner course. Yep. Yeah, you will not be expected to know anything about C to do the course. Thought you'd be done at this. I know, we're buckling down. We've just been working on a lot of other stuff at various times, but we're going to get this one done. It'll be on, no, Lane's actually not. Lane's been super supportive. I just want it to be done, because then I want to make another one, chat. So we want to do copy file. And we want to say something like, we want to copy the exercises. We want to copy the exercises at least. Right? So we go for file in iPairs. And let's go, we want to say exercise.c, exercise H. Yeah, that seems good. Origin is join path, yeah, here and this, right? Because that should be complete, but that's not complete. It needs to be complete here. Local dest, incomplete. Oh yeah, actually that's true. We want to go then we want to copy these over. Copy file, origin, dest. New path flags, exclusive, fi clone. That seems pretty good. Hello, I'm your biggest fan. Hey, thanks, Lay on Me. Welcome. Pro OCaml course when? That would be sweet. Those are actually on my to-do list. So if this course goes well and Lane really likes it, we'll do either some Rust or some OCaml ones next. I think it would be good for the Rust ones would be good. They're just gonna take a lot of time as well. It's just very hard to do a whole language course, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. Okay, path and new path. So that should be good. So we should take exercises. We want to take the complete ones from here, and we want to put them in complete and incomplete for the new lesson. For right now, let's just do print linking origin. Whoops. Dest. Okay. Like this. We won't actually do it yet. And let's skip actually creating this as well. So let's do the same thing here, and we'll say object string. So then what's it going to link? It's going to link float exercise C to 20 object equivalents for object string. That seems pretty good. That seems pretty good. Let's try it. Let's try it for real then. Let's try it for real. Object string. So now, ideally, what we should see here is we get 4 object string, and let's see. Oh, let's go, chat. Let's go. It would be even cooler if we opened up a diff if they already existed. Like that would be really cool, and we could just choose to put or not put them. Because one of the problems is like with making this, right, is you need to have like a lot of steps. If you change your mind about anything, I think you can do sign in and skip, Johnny. I don't know. Take it up with Lane. Take it up with Lane, chat. Should be able to skip. I'm pretty sure there is a skip though. But I don't have a count. You just can't. You just sign up with like Google or something. With Google. Skip issue, exactly. Exactly. Chat, I was cracking up when this one, dude. You guys see this earlier? This has been taken up with you. Exactly. Oh man. Love, thumbs up. Most passive aggressive thumbs up I've ever seen in my entire life, chat. All right. So that's awesome because now we can go to, we'll open up our diff and we'll say, okay, so what do we need to do here? We need to, well, let's close both of these and we'll open up this one. So we'll say this is new string. Yeah, we'll say that. Oh wait, gotta practice. Diff put. Okay, good, and good, and we'll quit both of those. We'll go to here. Open up the. We need a key map for that. But that's okay. New string. So what do I want to do here? I want to actually copy this though. I don't want this. I think you need to do a reallocator. All right, so this one should have string here and char star v string, something like this. Diff put, it takes this diff and puts it into the other one. Very cool. But I want this to be copied. So if I recall, we had 99 complete exercise C, because I think that's what I wanted to do here. I wanted to do this. What's up, teacher? Right, someone to load language. Of course. Southern origins. Southern origins. I don't know. From what are you saying? We'll include string for them. We won't make them think about that. Okay, nice. Because we want everything to be sort of like owned by this object, right? This is like not how you would do real strings, but that's fine. That's fine. That's kind of the point of what's going on. One of the tests will enforce this. Oops. Double const x static 2, is that double star const x with size of 2? Double const. What? I don't know what that is even. You have regional South American life origins? You have regional South. Why? Because of how good I can say Jose. Jose. That's still wrong. C23. I don't know. Yeah, people are coming over to the house, so doggo, much excite, such wow. Much excite, such wow. Hint. Copy the value. Otherwise, the tests will fail. Okay. Consult the C23 specification draft. I'm okay. I'm a CS undergrad. I've been waiting for this course, so a lot of good luck on creating exercise will be the key aspects of the course, except it could be back-end oriented. The key aspects are you're going to learn about memory management, both manual and garbage collection. Do you do this full-time? Yes, I am. I am doing it full-time. Okay, so that seems pretty good. We should have, as well, some tests here. What did we have for stir? Yeah, this is a good one. So we can go down to, oh, we'll go back here and we'll quit this. And then let's go to, whoops, let's go to main. We'll open the diff here and we'll put in this stir copied. We don't really need any of these other ones. Those are all fine for later. Stir. Whoops. Copies value. Okay. Should allocate a new object. Probably don't need this one. Let's see. So must be a string. Yep. You need to copy the string. But should have the same data. This way the object can free its own memory later. We'll talk about that later. Yeah. A boot. Jose. Yeah, I know how Jose is said, but that's not how you say it in Brazil. Okay, so that should be pretty good. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing great. Doing great. We'll have to go through here and update the expected as well. I think Lane said there was something for that. We can probably also sort that out as well. That would be another good thing to do. Update all expected.txt with a command. Should be basically instance. Sweet. Okay, so that's awesome. That's awesome. So we should make a new string, then we should return the string, and then we're here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then the README is here with this and read-only files. It's actually going well, chat. Nice. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do... What's the website called? Why is it localhost? Oh, yeah, you guys can't access it. Just go to localhost 8000. You can test out the course right now. Here, chat. Just test out the course right now. Test out my C course right now. Well, you see Etsy. Teach you liar. All right, I'm only half listening, but since when does C have strings? I clearly haven't written C in a while. Well, it doesn't have strings. It has char stars. We are making objects. They are really objects that you could use inside of C. This isn't really how you would do it, right, chat? I mean, the point of this is to learn about memory management. We're getting there, though. And I thought I could finally learn C. It gives me an error page. You know, Patat? I'm testing it. Looks good. Yes. Nice. We're pretty much done. Localhost is my domain name. So I just spent 20, how much should we say? 37K to get the localhost domain. And I'm seeing other people using it. What? Did I get scammed? I'm definitely gonna reply. I'm gonna use that as a reply at some point. C does have objects. You're right. They call everything an object, which is very confusing, Moon. Very confusing. We'll definitely need to be using that one more. Yo, it works. No way. Chat, I did. Okay, I couldn't think of another A. I did, so I was saying Meta, Amazon, Google. Who needs to be the last A here? Amazon. Oh, Apple. Why did I not think of Apple? Oh, dang it. There we go. I said Atlassian. For some reason, I couldn't think of another A. When I did that, I replied to Biden. Biden saying something about MAGA. I said Atlassian. I couldn't think of one, dude. It would be funny to include Google twice by saying Alphabet. Oh, but Apple. What was I thinking? I can't believe I couldn't think of that, and all I could think of was Atlassian. Like, oh my goodness. Alphabet instead of Amazon. Jira on the brain, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah, where did I say that? Meta, Amazon, Google, Atlassian. It's got to be the only tweet of all time with that on. Yeah. Not even Apple. Yeah. Oh my goodness, dude. Not Netflix, Nvidia. Well, there's no, we need MAGA, because we're going to reply every time Biden tweets MAGA. We're going to say Meta, Amazon, Google, Apple. We got to get back on our Joe Biden. Did you block me? I didn't block anybody. I may have muted you. But that's a different thing. This is one of the dangers of looking at Twitter while we're online. When's the election? I don't know. November, I think. Very different game. Muting means it's not that I dislike you. It's just that I don't want like in the replies all the time. I like getting notifications. It doesn't do anything on your side. Oh, well then never mind. Nice. Then I didn't do that. I don't know. I mute a lot of people. I mute a lot on Twitter. Or sorry, X. My bad. Okay. Anyways. That moment you forget Apple exists. Yeah, I know, Jordan. Okay. So that worked well. Block a lot. I don't really block very often, Nightshade. Done. In general, I don't really like blocking very much. Because I feel like the other person then feels like I'm trying to send a message. In general, I'm not trying to send a message, just that I don't want to, like, I just don't want my, like, my feed to show up with that person in it. You know what I mean? There's lots of people, even people I like. I block every sponsor post I see. Nice. Oh, wait, double take back. I did reply. RIP. You be you. I just don't want to deal with it. Yeah, or I just don't want to see it like all the time. You know, there's like tons of people who people retweet all the time and show up. But anyways. Okay. Used to enjoy reading comments and good tweets. Now it's all... Yeah. Replies are tough. Reason lying to streamer. I don't know how you solve replies on a social media site anymore. Like, I don't know what the solution is. You know what I mean? Just disable replies. You're kind of not wrong. You're kind of not wrong. As a large language model, I can't create good tweets for you. It's just some random replies. Yeah, I know. It doesn't show... Oh, Adam. What up, Adam? What's up, Adam? Did you get any code done, or were you doing literally nothing? You just thumbs upping Dax's work, you know? Hi there, new here. Well, welcome, Leo. Getting some things done. Nice. Well, mostly that. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah. Timed out. Thank you. Thank you. He's supposed to be hard at work on our company. Well, I'm working on my separate course, so that makes sense. You know? Oh, man. So, welcome, everybody. Nice passive income stream. Yeah, it's passive because I'm going to make Adam do all the work. Well, welcome. We're working on my... I'm making a... literally outsourced, yeah. working on my C course for boot.dev. It's mostly about memory management, but that's longer to say. So basically the idea of the course is you're going to learn C. Along the way, you're going to pick up some ideas about memory management. And then at the end, you'll implement like two pretty simple garbage collectors. And then you'll learn a lot about garbage collection and memory management, manual memory management in the same course. So anyways, it's all on boot dev. If you know boot, you can use my promo code for 25% off. Boot's pretty cool. All right. So let's open up this. We'll open up exercises. Let's open up our exercise H. Boot's great. Boot is great. This song. Okay. Boot is very cool. All right, so what do we need to do here? We need to do object T, new vector 3. Yep. This is incomplete. So on this side, we need to say vector 3. We need to say obj vector T. We'll make this. We need object star x, y, z. When starting a podcast? I don't know, Adam. Adam, you should start one. Could have used it before I biffed my C uni course this semester. Yeah. Rob, got assigned mobile dev project in my company. Never done mobile dev, and every I'm trying to solve is broken. Nice. Nice, very cool. C is great. I think it's really, I think there's a lot of good stuff for people to learn. Do I have anything for diff? All right, so that seems pretty good. So that's what you would need to write. That seems pretty good. So then what do we need to do here? We're going to need to make our new vector 3. Yep, we're gonna not do this yet. Oh, right. We don't want to do that. We want to do this. Okay. Oh, we could also probably just go... Maybe this would be even easier. I think I called it obj vector, right? I'm also on Cena's foundation for Rust and or Zig. That's exactly the sort of point, Jack, is after this I want to do a Rust series for boot. But I just think Rust solves a lot of problems that don't make any sense if you haven't at least been exposed to some ideas from C. You do NeoVim, and I'm trying to learn how to navigate and use NeoVim Vim in general. Can you recommend me something? Sorry to interrupt. Like, have you tried Vim Tutor and stuff, Pablo? Like, how new are you? Don't get the Rust fans. I like Rust. It's just, it's not good for every project, you know? Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. Buffer overflows. What about buffer overflows? Ah, I do this every time. Escape quits that, and I accidentally press quit a lot on there. Rust is perfect, period. I'm new, like I installed New Oven just last week, never used it before. Okay, well, you should try Vim Tutor and get good at Vim Tutor. All right, so this is a pretty good. This is vector, so we can put this here. vec3 v vector. What is it? It's not called. Ah. Yep, we don't need that anymore. We've already done the tests for those. Learned Haskell as foundation for learning Rust. Sorry, Pick. It actually is like, can I do diff put from here? How do I do like, oh, interesting. Okay. There's a lot of ideas in Rust that like, I think if you did Haskell, you're like, oh yeah, okay. Okay, I gotcha. Okay, so let's go ahead and do, yeah, right. There's, and like just the concept of options and a bunch of other things like that, I think are really, really helpful. All right, so we can just make 1, 2, 3. That seems pretty good. What should someone use C for? Like what? Most of the things in Haskell are super transferable. Yeah, except making money. Writing white papers. Got 'em. Vectors, they get references to the objects. If that were true, there wouldn't be so many Rust removers. Nani, what are you asking? What, like, why would you use C? I mean, there's various reasons you might want to use it, but test vec3. Multiple objects. Test vec3. Yeah, but why is there no C job? Yeah, it's not for getting a job in C. That's explicitly not the point of the course. I data dot v int equals 2. Very cool. To put something into space. C can be used for anything, but probably shouldn't be used for everything. Yeah, it's for fun coding and side project. No. It's not for that. It's to teach you things that are important. By doing the course, you'll be able to view problems in ways that make more sense, right? Like that's kind of the idea. Hey, Hector, thanks for the bits. I appreciate it. What are your thoughts on using books for continual learning to become more intermediate advanced in language? I think it's good. Yeah, I think books are good. Procedures do exist, but they often need very high level of seniority. Yeah. Even if you just write front end. Exactly. Right. This is supposed to teach you like what is happening? What is a garbage collector even? What is it doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, what is going on with that? That's kind of the goal, right? They gotta add Rust fanboyism to the never. Boot dev course, I'm really well. So you wouldn't purchase the course individually. You would get like a boot dev subscription. They're all together. I can't tell you how much it is because it's location dependent. So you can see what the pricing is on the page, and my code gets you 25% off. So I think it's pretty cool that Lane does, you know, location dependent pay and everything too. So that's nice. Or whatever, localized, however you want to say it. That's okay. It'll be on boot.dev. Regional pricing, yeah. Very cool. As an arch... Jack, that's awesome, yeah. Yeah, I think becoming a pro in Fortran could be good. Garbage collector visits your mom. Yeah, she does have a house, so the garbage collector does go there about once a week or so. Think books are good? Bro sounds like a nerd. I am a nerd. I stream programming. All right, let's see. What else have we got going on here? So this one seems good. This is a nice sort of illustration of what's going on. And those don't work yet, but will once they complete that. Reach price is very cool, but not sure it's taking France into account. I have no idea. I am not in charge of that. I am just le course maker. I am just le course maker. All right, so after we do... no one takes France into account. That's pretty funny. All right, so let's do... We'll do the array last then. That seems pretty good. Why, when you use Vim, this is amazing. When I use this... Robert, it takes a little bit of practice. Croissant? I could go for a croissant. Create next lesson. Object array. Dude, this is actually so nice. Wait, what is France? I think it's in the Europe country. I'm not sure. But why? Why what? France. France! Alright, let's go. Whoops. Object T star new array. Size T, right? I think that's what we did last time, right? New array. Yeah, we just create an array and then we needed ways to put things inside of here. That part is a little bit, that part's a little bit goofy because what would you want to do here? I feel like this is the way I would do it in C, is I would do this and I'll put this here and I would do this thing. What do you call singletons? Singletons, I think. I think I just call them that. Is it standard def? Right? That's the one that we can use. Array functions. First create an array with a size, then you can place elements in the array. What did we have for that? We said it was set array index. Yeah. I use the, so I can go application the, for example. Oh. That's funny. The application, yeah. Override the. Oh, this is in Europe. You have state of library from France. Oh, Rob, what are you saying? I don't know what you're saying. I know about France. They made OCaml, chat. Of course I know about Francois. Okay. All right, so then we need to also go, though, for this, we need to say object array tv array, which we haven't made yet. Wonder if we should put... This should have size t size. Is that what we called it? And then object t elements. You watching the UEFA? I don't know what UEFA is. Have a singleton that holds all the singletons. That's the only thing that makes any sense. You know what I mean? That's the only thing that makes any sense. Have a singleton called the, which holds all the singletons. UEFI, exactly. Exactly, chat. No, all of my free time has been playing too much Balatro. What? I haven't been playing Balatro. I've been working constantly. A multiton. The European Football Championship. Oh, nice. No, I haven't been watching any. Well, just one more game. Just one more game of Balatro. I just need one more game. True American, exactly. Exactly. I don't call them since there are no singletons in my code. All right, so that part seems pretty good. That seems about right. We go back to here. We go to our exercise C. And we'll go to here and we say new vector, new array. And we can go here. Ooh, we haven't taught them about C, Alec, yet. We're not going to do ref count yet. They don't know. All right, we need to go up to here and say array. Where's that course available? It will be on boot.dev. You can use promo code TEACH. Oh my goodness! Janet, what's up? What were all of you up to today? Not a hard thing to understand. Yeah, I just didn't have it in my list of things that we needed to cover yet. So I just need to make sure we need to cover it. Surprise! I am surprised. Talking about Sugar Daddy, that's it? Nice. She was just chatting. Got it. I did hear that the correct way to write closure is you sit in a hammock for, say, 6 to 7 hours, write about 3 lines, and then make the bank $100 million. So that seems like a pretty reasonable sort of situation where you might actually do that, you know? Like, classic closure dev. We call it hammock-driven development. I know. Is it any... Well, I actually don't know if this is a good joke or not. Okay. I'll just say, is it any coincidence? So just to be clear, before I say it, I like Rich, okay? So there you go. I was just going to say, is it any coincidence that the guy who made Closure and is a big fan of hammock-driven development's last name is Hickey? You know? It seems not. Seems not a coincidence to me. So there you go. But I felt like it was going to be better at the beginning, but then I didn't want to say it. So then I don't know. Because I don't know if Rich likes jokes, you know? So I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know him at all. All I know him is from watching lots of talks from him. Do you guys know what Hickey is? I don't know how you spell it. How do you... Is it just an American word? You guys not... We'll just hit up Le Urban Dictionary. Never had one. Yeah, you guys wouldn't understand. That makes the joke so much better. Is this how you spell it? A love bite caused by sucking on a person's body. That's a pretty good... Yeah, this makes sense why you guys wouldn't know. Because, like, if you weren't dating someone before you get in a hammock with them, you definitely are afterwards. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of like the joke I was going for. That's what I'm saying. I'm connecting the dots here. Is that OCaml? Kind of. You know, because OCaml has C. Anyways, so what are we doing today? We're working on my course for boot.dev. OCaml is this. Yeah, it's sort of like, you know, it's a few steps below. I would change like the big big suck. That's pretty funny. Oh my goodness. So anyways, the main goal of the course is to teach people about what happens in memory management. So it'll teach you some stuff about manual memory management, and then you're gonna basically write a really simple garbage collector in C, right? And then with sort of this object system that you build up, so that by the end of the course, you have a much like better grasp conceptually of what's going on in manual memory management, as well as like garbage collection. We'll do a very simple ref count and a very simple mark and sweep. Yes, they will not be ready to be shipped to a production, you know, language, but they'll be, you know, they'll give them sort of the idea of, oh, I kind of get why making, you know, like a bunch of objects and throwing them away all the time, why that's bad, right? Like something... Like, oh, I get that the computer's actually secretly doing work that I can't see when they go out of scope, right? Like, that's kind of like a good concept to start getting into their brain and understanding what's going on. So, anyways, that's what's going on. Did we didn't happen to make a boot C, Alec, did I? We don't really need to do this. We don't really need to zero everything. Cool idea. Thank you. Thanks. Is that a currency? It's not. It's not a currency, chat. It's not a currency. If you write an OOP language in a functional language, so basically your OOP is functional. OCaml's got objects. They're actually like kind of nice, all things considered. Oh, someone asked what's the best bit about OCaml. I like the type system and how it's like integrated in the language earlier. I almost closed my comment with a semicolon. I've been writing apparently too much C. It's kind of a bummer that this won't, like, will it not let me even do this? It's just gonna say, oh, it can fit on one line. Obj, that looks like PHP though. To be fair, PHP kind of looks like C, because that's what they were going for. I'm too dumb to learn OCaml. Not true. Not true. Look at this. Where do I have a good OCaml project right now? Malua. Do you just say like let add xy equals x plus y? Okay, that's easy. Add 1, 2. Easy. You just read it right here. You know, you're like, it's pretty much done. I want to add this and this. C Diesel comments are evaluated. Right? It's like, it's pretty easy, chat. Or you can even do let add equals function xy. No, I think I want to say fun. I forget which one it is. xy. X plus y. Right? Add 1, 2. Now do a loop. Okay. for I equals 1 to 10, I think. Do print int I. Done? I don't remember if it's done or not. Yeah, okay. It's fine. Yeah, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you give me OCaml research on OCaml, it's not 200-year-old math teacher talking about some weird category theory. OCaml course when? It's on my list for boot camp. That's why we have to start going faster. I'm like, okay, I need to just do it on stream so that I can make more hours for it. And then we'll do lots. Now Dance Monkey. There you go. See, you can just do loops if you wanted. Nice try. You thought you had me here. You thought you had me. Do a loop. Yeah, easy. Easy. No problem. We have loops. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. OCaml's very pragmatic. OCaml's very pragmatic. Here, we'll go back again. Let O is object method something equals 5. I think it's end. O something. Like we even have objects if you want. This is how you access something inside of an object. What's with the double semicolon? Double semicolon says I'm done with this whole block. So you could do something like this, like let x is 1, let y equals 2, x plus y. Right? And it'll say, oh, whoops, this won't, right, I gotta say in. Sorry. Let y equals 1 in this x plus y. Then this says, hey, I'm all done writing here. Like that's how you tell the REPL to be all done, basically. A single semicolon ends like a particular statement, and then a double one says I'm all done with this whole thing, right? And so UTOP says, okay, see, you're ready for me to evaluate this now. So it's nothing crazy, right? This is sort of like a hint to say I'm all done writing things, right? Because you can do multiple lines. OCaml's white space independent. It doesn't care. You can do let x equals 1 in x, right? It doesn't care. It doesn't care about any of the other shenanigans here. So you need some way to say that you're all done. It doesn't have like braces and other things like that, really. Yeah, basically, that's the way to say we're all done with something. So it even has objects, chat. It even has objects. You know? Let O is object method something with a unit, right? We'll say 10. It's got objects. It has everything. Does it have type classes? No. Even better. OCaml has any. Let ID x equals x. See? Here you go. That's any. Anything can go here and anything can come out. Now, it can always only be one thing at a time because it has a real type system. But it does have a way to say anything can go in here. Say no one use objects or for loops in OCaml. That's true. Generally, you don't. We have other things that usually work better, but OCaml is very pragmatic, right? So if like, oh, I just want to write a for loop, you can. A looks like lifetime. Wrong order. Rust was written in OCaml, so if anything from Rust looks like something from OCaml, it's the other way around. Lifetimes look like this. This is like generic, basically. Yeah, ID for identity. Yeah. You have a point. Thank you. Thanks. I appreciate that. No polymorphic debug format print, though. That part is the worst part of OCaml. They're thinking about how to add type classes. They're called, I think, modular implicits. That part's the sad thing. This is why we need ProCaml course. True. True. All right, I need to go get a little more coffee. I'll be right back. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know. Wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.